Welcome to EPAL Hub. When you are shipping to USA, don't do these mistakes. Even if you are selling through eBay or even in any other format platform, don't do these mistakes. Uh, After entering to USA in any package, USPS or UPS taking charge of all packages. They are the one who's distributing all the packages when entering to the USA. So if you are sending from your own country, I mean, if it's from China, if it's from your local any other country, every package will be sorted out from USPS or UPS. So they have their own rules and regulation which we need to follow. They take shipping seriously. So your packages might be lost. They might be perished. The damaged packages will be ignored, and some packages will be returned. So you will be facing many issues if these three types happen. The thing is, the customer is waiting for the package, but customer will not get the package because of the errors that you have done. And what are these errors? That is the one we need to find out. Avoid these when you are wrapping up, when you are creating a package. Don't use cover paper to wrap. They will refuse it. The cover papers tend to be tear up, and the other thing is don't use brown papers. Many countries use them, and from China they are using plastic covers and everything. The main point we need to get, the summary of the issue we need to get is it might get tear apart. So whatever it's not tearing apart, it will be okay. As many are automated, the cover may tear apart and information may be lost, because we know most of the time, most places, the processing systems are automated. So in the process, the cover may be tear apart and the address may be gone, and the customer will be waiting for the package and the package will be lost. So you get in the blame. So avoid this. And if USPS or UPS see this kind of package, they will refuse. It may be returned to you. Don't overpack. Compact and non-fragile items, if you overpack, it will be rejected. If you get an envelope, the small envelope, what we can do is neat packaging. Maybe a key tag, maybe a small item, we can put it inside with a bubble wrap. But if you overpacked it, it will be rejected, because there are many chances it will be torn apart and the customer won't get the package. Either you are shipping from your country, this is a common mistake which most of us will do. Don't use empty liquor boxes. According to USPS, they cannot be reused, and there's a section from on USPS site also, we cannot use empty liquor boxes. So if they find out, it will be destroyed. Even it will not even return to you. Always create your own package. That's the main thing that you have to do. Get cardboard which can hold any amount of the amount of the package weight that you are willing to send. So create a own package, or you can buy packages from any stores that known for this. So get the package and create it by your own, and put a nice presentation to the package as well, then send it. So it will be okay, and it will be shipped to the customer's hand. We all know that USA is the territory that most orders will be placed, and more than 80% of the orders which coming from eBay from USA. So we need to take care of the buyers, we need to take care of the process as well. So what you have to do is follow these steps, follow and avoid these kind of mistakes, and take care of your buyer, because if you lose one buyer, it's hard to get another buyer. So follow this instruction, follow the channel, get all the information you need, and thank you for watching. Good luck, think wisely, don't work hard, work smart. Happy selling. Please subscribe my channel, and we have a Facebook group and the page as well. So if you want to join and get a good knowledge about dropshipping and eBay selling, join with EPAL Dropshipping Hub. The link has mentioned on the description. Join us and grow with us, and share your knowledge with us. Thank you for watching. All the very best.